it's Lily and Rosa. Today we're going to talk about half moon pose. This is such an amazing posture in the first couple of ones that we do in class actually. So we want to go through a couple of things that will help you in your practice. So as we start, arms over your head, I'm just going to call out a couple of things that's really important in this posture to remember. The first one is that your body weight is on your heels. So when you employ your mind, this is the mind-body connection, you can feel when you have weight in your toes or in your heels, so bring it back to your heels. The next is the arms. So oftentimes elbows are bent, so you want, yes. So when your elbows are bent, you have no activation in the upper body. So it's so important we work towards locking elbows, yes. Stretching up towards the ceiling, so you pull your stomach muscles in, stretch up, so move your upper body right and left, back to the center. The setup is key. Push your hips forward, upper body back. Take a deep breath and bend your body to the right. So the whole time in the postures, you're stretching up. Keep your elbows locked, and there's a strong emphasis right here on the hips. Really good work. Without bending your knees, push your hips deeper to the left, body weight on the heels, very nice. Pull your stomach muscles in, push your left hip forward, right shoulder forward, upper body back, weight in the heels, very nice. Inhale, breathing, come up, stop in the center. Good work. When we start the backward bend in half moon pose, you start in the center, the same idea. Make sure your body weight is on your heels. Really good work. Take a deep breath, drop your head back, and look for the floor, and bring your arms back immediately. So there is a distinct change. So often you might find yourself, again, with bent elbows, and just sort of collapsing there in the back bend. The arms play a key role. With your elbows locked, with you stretching towards the back wall, that is going to activate the muscles you need to support you so that you can actually go into the back bend. So you're not essentially resting bone on bone. Body weight on the heel is key. Push your hips forward, your stomach, your legs, your hips forward. Look back, go back, more back, and even touch the wall behind you. Beautiful. Inhale, breathing, come up. Stop in the center. We're going to talk about Pada-Hastasana, one of my personal favorites, the forward bend. So you start in the center, go down, arms and head together. There's never any issue. You can always bend your knee if you need to, no problem. So as you do your warm-up, and the warm-up, bending the knee just to make sure the lower back is relaxed, nice and loose, comfortable, easy, flexible, very important. So grab your heels from behind, step on all 5 fingers. The goal is to bring your pinky fingers to touch and your elbows behind the legs. That's very good. Now pull as hard as possible. With Paschimottanasana, that means it's a pulling posture. The harder you pull, the more you stretch. Pull your heels, push your knees back and lock your knees. Very nice. Exhale, breathing, lock your knees, and this is one of my personal favorites. Relax your face with your smiling, happy face. That's your reminder to relax and pull. Pulling is the object of stretching. Pull your heels, lock your knees. Exhale, breathing, lock your knees. Last chance, lock your knees. Very nice. Inhale, breathing, come up. Really good work. Arms down by your side.